Holiday 2025, Jordan brand flips tradition, planning 7 Air Jordan 11 releases instead of one exclusive December drop. This mirrors the Air Jordan 1 saturation strategy, targeting men, women, and kids with rapid-fire launches, almost one every 2 weeks. Headlining is the Air Jordan 11 Rare Air, inspired by an unreleased 2000 Twilight Blue sample. It sports blue patent leather mudguards, black lining, yellow rope laces, red Jumpman logos, and Jordan text on the eyelets, all set above a translucent outsole. The look channels archival nostalgia while embracing a modern, revenue-driven cadence. Dropping in October in adult and G sizes, the Rare Air appeals to collectors but risks chipping away at the AJ11's once exclusive aura. This holiday push blends retro storytelling with aggressive marketing, marking a pivotal shift in how Jordan brand handles one of its most iconic and historically guarded sneakers.